Why give plain Eid envelopes when you can make something special? Let's DIY a stylish Eidi envelope. Let's make the cutest, child-shaped Eidi envelope with just paper and colors. Firstly, download Paper Copy app, then select the desired picture and start tracing it. Take a paper and draw a cute child's face shape, big eyes, a smile, and a festive cap or hijab. Now, outline with a black marker and color it in using bright shades. By the way, what's your fav color? I am using black, blue, green, yellow colors, full of love.